Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into this week's BBB Duo from Kozmik Nails. That beautiful teal is called Vintage Rose, and then we have Retro Rosie, and it is a super pretty fine glitter, but yet it has these chunky glitters mixed in, and it's super pretty. We are going to be making a press-on set today, and we're going to be doing some more fun color blocking. I did some color blocking a few days ago on my channel, and I really liked how it turned out. This time I'm going to do some color blocking. I want to do more of an angle, and then when we rip off that tape, I'm going to add some of those beautiful chunkier glitters from Retro Rosie in the middle. I think that's going to give it like a cool dimensional look, and I'm super excited to try it. I've tried color blocking in the past. I failed miserably, and then I didn't go back to it for a really long time. And now I completely love it, and I'm so mad that I didn't try it again after it didn't work out for me, because I think it's so pretty and beautiful, and I always admire people's manis with color blocking. I just think it's so pretty. Alright, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors, and don't forget these colors are available at a discounted price starting today, Monday, February 27th. The new Kozmik Nails BBB colors are always released on Mondays at 10 a.m. Central Time, and then that sale price is good for a whole week, and you can use a discount code on top of it, which is super awesome. So I will not be popping back in at the end of the video. We are going to be doing a dip with me style mani today. So I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you in tomorrow's upload.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you.